Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can fix your Facebook professional mode not showing. So in your profile, if you're not getting professional mode, it could be that you have not updated Facebook. Facebook professional is only available in the latest version of Facebook. For that, go to your app store, and on your app store you want to search for Facebook. After you search for Facebook, check if there's an update. My Facebook says open, that means it's up to date, but if it showed update over here, you need to click on it and update your Facebook. After updating your Facebook, your problem should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, delete your Facebook app and reinstall it again. It's going to clear your cache and it's going to delete the bug that is also causing the problem. By reinstalling Facebook app, you can see professional mode. Now let's say like there is professional mode in Facebook, you just don't know how to access it. To access professional mode, you want to click on your profile picture or menu icon at the bottom right and click on your profile name at the top left of your screen. It'll bring it to your Facebook profile. From over here, you will see the three dot right beside the C dashboard, and from over here, scroll a bit down, you will see professional mode. So my professional mode is already on, that's why it says turn off. In your case, it should show you turn on professional mode. You can click on it and turn it on. So that's it for today's video. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.